Then I break up in the text. She said, boy, you got me vexed. Fall for.
Channel 33, no Nick. This shit is bugging. I'm walking. The snow is crazy today. It's a whole winter storm. Nobody's going to survive. I'm breathing. It's a life on everything. It's snowing like crazy. This weather ain't it. You can't walk through this. You can't do nothing. I'll catch you on the next clip. That nigga get brolic and shit. Damn, son. Demon time, nigga. Look at what he doing. We come here trying to get to the bus stop, and he already doing this shit.
Reporting live. wavyrioo, Deli Dow,
NYC.
And today, nigga, nobody give a fuck about the cameraman, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Reporting live, the Bronx, South Bronx, 174th, as you can see. And as you can see, you can look around. It's snow. You wanna know something? It's fucking brick!
It's brick!
It's brick!
It's brick then, not brick.
It's brick titties, my nigga. So what I would let y'all know, make sure you on your P's and Q's. Don't be get caught lacking in here. Yeah. Niggas about to go skiing. Feel me? We about to go down the hill. Niggas about to go down the slide. This look like a whole bunch of nut.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Nigga, a bunch of nut. Straight kids. So make sure for all you shorties, don't get pregnant out here.
That's a fact.
Stay safe.
Live from Finesse.TV.
Finesse.TV. Reporting out.
Yo, this nigga on some crazy shit, bro. What is this nigga Wendell doing, bro?
We gonna take it over there.
What are y'all doing? Oh my gosh. This is what he's doing. See, this is what happens when you're in the Bronx, bro. You in the Bronx, you live in the Bronx. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can't take it. What the fuck these niggas doing? Niggas is struggling to try to take the whole car. We gon' they doing this is like hell hitting your face, bro. God damn. You gonna drag that shit? That nigga really better drag that. Oh my god. God damn, yo.
Fuck it. That would have been fun though.
It would have been. It's not gonna. So apparently these niggas want to race down the hill. When it's gonna, they gonna be. Look at that hill, y'all. They trying to run down that hill. Somebody finna bust their ass and fall. Are you marked? Get set, go. Right behind you, like Maury. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That nigga fell twice. Oh shit. Oh shit. Went down. Went down. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That nigga bust his head, his mata. He bust his mata. Oh shit. What are y'all doing? Oh! Oh shit. I wanna do that, bitch. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. You gonna bust your mata. You ain't gonna bust his mata. Ain't gonna bust his mata right now, bro. Call me.
Look.
Ready?
Look, watch this. Weak ass. Hold on. You gotta go, nigga. Come on, we on this. Alright. So you know the fuck. Oh shit. Yo, bro, look how deep this shit is.
Bro, hang on.
Hold on. Look. Niggas is almost. Damn, nigga. What's up with that nigga? Ow! We out here, bitch. Feel me? Niggas is getting cracking and they don't cat. The little snowboards. Feel me? It feel like hell and snow. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit.
I can't take this shit, bro. I can't take this shit, bro.
This shit a little wild. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright. You drop your phone? Yeah, see? This shit kinda wild.
That nigga dropped his phone, y'all. Oh shit. That nigga dropped his phone, y'all. He about to go get it.
Look at the snow.
In the snow and shit. This shit crazy out here, yo. As you can see, we finally made it to the war zone. The zone where the war starts. We finally made it. And as you can see, look how high that is. How many inches y'all think that is, bro? If you're from New York, you know how many inches that is, bro. This shit is crazy, bro. We here, bro. Look at these niggas up there. What the fuck is that, nigga? Bro, niggas got me going crazy, bro. Look at that shit. I feel like I'm climbing Mount Everest. Oh, shit. We made it to the war zone. This nigga chilling in the snow like it's his bed. Oh shit! There's a snowman. Oh, spear! Niggas violated this. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy shit, yo. This shit bugged. Oh shit. Oh.
Like go like straight.
Oh shit. Nigga, we take the rhythm anyway, yo. We take it anyway. I'm about to edit like pretty much. Watch. Oh my god. Oh shit. Boom. Oh my gosh. Yo. What's good, YouTube? Yo. What's good? Bah! 20 live. Do y'all know where we at? Bro. Look at, we got another partner over there. That's it. He coming, you feel me? We in the field, we at Starlight. As you can see, this is crazy. We are out here. It's bugging, like it's bugging. How many inches is that? How many inches is this, bro?
86.
Yo, 86 inches, bro.
500.
Like 500 inches. You feel me? It's mad inches. This shit is crazy as hell. We are cold. We don't know what we're doing. What we doing out here? We're the only ones out here. Except for those two couple. Shout out to them. You feel me? They taking pictures and whatever. We got another family member out here. You feel me? David just got here. Yeah! Yeah! Wow! Let's go! What the fuck? What the fuck? I don't know why they doing that shit to me, bro. I don't know why they doing that shit to me, bro. I don't know why they doing that shit to me, bro. I'm just chilling. I'm the fucking YouTuber and they doing that shit to me, bro. These niggas is bugging. These niggas is bugging. I can't even get up. I can't even get up. I can't even get up. I'm a RKO. You a bitch, nigga. You a bitch. You a bitch. Fuck you. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. What is he doing? Oh yeah, this gotta go. This gotta go.
This shit gotta go viral.
Bro, what the heck is he doing? That nigga in his own world meditating. Shh, guys, this is an animal that you can never find. It's the rarest animal in the world. Look, you see, you move a little bit, he moves too.
Fucking man.
Oh!
Don't worry my fucking
Take shit, chill. Oh! Chill. What the fuck wrong with this nigga? Oh shit. What the fuck wrong with these niggas? Oh shit. Yo, my camera's about to. Yo, this shit crazy, bro. This shit wet as fuck.
Okay.
Oh, you hit me right in the.
Oh, he's got cracked.
Rest in peace, Jose. Yeah, bugging. Holy shit.
Don't worry my brother.
Yeah.
Bruh. That nigga covered in snow. All the dick fell off. Look at this nigga, bro. Nigga bugging, bro. Ah, shit. the monster. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit.
Yo, this nigga said how we gon'
Bink, 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 bink. Caught that nigga lagging.
Where you going? Stupid. Oh, stupid. Oh, right, this don't cut.
Oh, everybody coming to that nigga. Bang, bang. Oh. These niggas is in the middle of the street. The car! Go to the car. What you found, bro? Why you chilling right here, nigga? But I see a boy right there.
Take me a pic.
Nigga, I'll take you a pic, bro. This is a pic, nigga.
Give me a pic.
It's a pic, bro.
What's temperature is it right now?
It's break, nigga.
It's brick.
Yeah.
Thanks, nigga.
What the fuck is you doing, nigga? What the fuck? Bro, what's... Oh, shit, nigga, chill, bro. That nigga bugging, I'll beat your ass, bitch. Fuck you. Bitch ass nigga. Bro, what y'all niggas is doing?
What you call this?
What you call that? What you call that, bro?
Huh? You see this?
Yo, what the fuck is that?
You see this?
A RPG, nigga?
Yeah.
How you mean? That nigga scared of you, bro.
Get hurt something.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Okay.
Yo, he caught his shit, bro. These niggas is bugging out here in 174, bro. Niggas is bugging at 174, bro. These is bugging, bro. Damn, bro. Niggas is bugging. Be careful with that nigga over there, too. Oh, y'all bugging, bro. It's mad late for this.
I'm gonna catch him lacking.
It's mad late for this. It's mad late for this. I'm mad cold. My toes is like freezing at a negative 55 degrees. Bro,
Alright.
you niggas is bugging.
Where's David at?
He went to take the bus. Bro, what are you trying to make, bro?
I'm gonna throw a snowman at this nigga.
If you want to throw a snowman at this nigga?
A snow baby.
Oh shit, snow weedy. What is he making over there, bro? What is he doing?
Yeah, nigga.
Oh shit.
Look what you got.
Oh, he had one already? Oh, he fell? Oh my god. Y'all gotta be careful.
Hold that.
Bro, you wildin', bro. What you trying to do
Got
with
it on
him?
me, bro.
Damn, bro. Why y'all fighting, bro? Y'all could just be cool, bro. Squash the beef.
Nah, nigga,
Squash the beef, bro. You gotta squash the beef.
He betrayed his old teammate. This nigga don't got no good sportsmanship.
Exactly. Violated.
Over.
Scary.
Scary.
Scary, bro. Scary shit, bro.
Bro, why you holding that, bro? Squash the beef, bro.
This comes straight from the freezer at the Ox when they about to take out the chopped cheese. I mean, ground beef to make chopped cheese.
Bro, chill, bro. These niggas gotta squash the beef, bro. Are they still trying to fight? That nigga chilling over here. Oh, he running something, bro.
You see how you running?
Yo, he running, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, he fell in the street. Yo. The bus! I'm taking that shit. Fuck that shit.
Yo, off.
What they doing? What they did to you,
Yo,
bro? You fell and
funny
everything, bro?
I slipped. You got me fucked up. That's all.
That nigga bugging.
I was scalati. You caught that?
Yeah, you cracked that nigga shit.
I was scalati.
He's that nigga wet and everything, bro.
If a nigga
Like
saw
that.
me, I can blast in.
So,
Walk in, start taxing. Damn, I hope them niggas brought no gas in.